make a lapbook type folio for this one. So I will do the measurements. So we've got 4 panels, and they are 5.5 by just over 8.5, 8.5, and then we've got a 1-inch spine, 2 1-inch spines, and a 2-inch spine. And that gives us that. I have covered it in black velvet. I have lined it with flocked paper, and that will be the start of my lap book. I have made 1 signature so far, and the rest of it I'm going to do some filming along to show you what I do. So this one is going to go in here on an elastic, and we're going to have some other pages underneath here, which will be this one. That's going to have a flip out on the top of it, and we're going to have some other stuff stacked in there to make up that space under there. And same on the other side. We're going to do another signature for the other side, and pockets and flips and all sorts of fun stuff. So that's that. We have got our cover started, but I'm not going to put that on till the end because I'll be opening and closing it. I don't want it to get wrecked. So I've got these 3-dimensional cut aparts like this. I'll show you one that's not done yet. So they come apart. You just use dimensional tape to stick them all together, blah blah, you know how all that works. So I've done that. I've used dimensional tape, I've layered it up, I've added some stickles just on her bling, and some glossy accents. Geez, where's my words? And that will go on the front, and I'm going to use these beautiful peacock feathers. Now this peacock used to come to our home every year with his girlfriend and his new babies, and feed out the front on the freshly planted pansies and things, which he loved to eat. So not sure how we're going to do this one yet, but it will probably be something like this. And I've got some other things to go down. I've got a label holder and that sort of thing that will cover up this stuff. So as I said, that won't go on until last minute because I don't want to get the feathers wrecked. Pop these away. I am also going to use lots of ribbons and trims, and I am going to put this tassel trim right along the bottom of the book here, which will give you that Roaring 20s flapper dress type style. So I'm going to glue that down. I've started I have started some tags. I've just used some melted wax and some gemstones, and of course the peacock feather, some trim, and this is a little booklet which I'm going to line with writing paper. So I've just started those, and that's as far as I have got with this one. So we will do some more building together. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is some more pockets and envelopes and things that I've already cut out and inked and stamped and all that sort of stuff ready to go. So there is so much in this kit, you're going to love it. So will we use Fabri-Tac or I might use Fabri-Tac fabric glue if I can get it to work. I think we're going to need to get a bigger bottle out for this one. I'll use this one, Crafter's Choice fabric glue. Wow, can you tell how long it's been since I've opened this? I've just broken the top off it. Going to have to decant that one. Well, that was unexpected. Very unexpected. Stick that in there for now. I'll get some more bottles to decant it into. Goodness. Use lots of glue because the fabric in the flock in the paper absorbs it, as does the trim. And I'm going to hold it down with some clips. Get it off the floor, it might stop pulling off. Should have done this bit off camera too, but anyway, you have to watch some of the boring bits with me. I didn't make you sit through all the cutting out and fussy cutting, which I detest, but apparently it's a necessity when you do these kits to use fussy cuts, and they do look great. I dislike them intensely. I dislike doing them. I don't dislike fussy cuts, I dislike fussy cutting. So as I said at the start, I had a nice little hospital. This one might have been the other video, but I've been in hospital only overnight. Had a kidney stone, which is, I must say, one of the most excruciating things I have ever felt in my whole life. Even worse than childbirth, I think. But luckily it passed without having to have a operation, which is fine by me, but I don't ever want to do that again. I drink loads of water. I drink nothing but water and the occasional cup of tea. I don't drink anything else. Don't drink soft drinks or alcohol or anything like that. So I would like to know the cause of said kidney stone, so I can avoid it in the future. I don't know whether it's food related or yeah, I just don't know. And they weren't very well. We don't really know was my answer, but they gave me a whole heap of fluids because they said I was dehydrated, and I said, well, you know, I drink litres and litres and litres of water every day. I'm an ice water girl. I like my water and ice very much. Now where are my scissors? Luckily it's fabric and I can use my fabric scissors. Alrighty, so we'll pop that over here to dry.